Perfect. Perfect.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So today I wanted to do a fun video with you guys. A shout out to Mad Curls. They always come up with fun ideas for you to think about what products you really like and what products you can live without. So shout out to them. Definitely check out their channel. They did a fun video where if you could just pick one product in each category that you would be able to use for the rest of your life, what product would that be? So I had to really think about that, like, if it came down to me just having one product to use for each category, what product would I use? You guys know I have a ton of products, and that's why I have a ton, because I don't like just using just one thing. So I was like, okay, let's try this out. First, we're going to start off with Pre-Poo, because I pre-poo. I love to pre-poo. I think it's really beneficial for my hair. But of course, if you're not new here, you already know what I'm going to say. I'm going to say the African Pride Pre-Poo. This is just the best store-bought Pre-Poo that I purchased. I have tried some other ones like the Curl Piece from Just For Me, and I do like that one, but I seem to keep going back to this one. Great slip, great moisture, has your curls popping, just makes my detangling session just so much easier, and this would be definitely my staple pre-poo for the rest of my life. As far as clay washes go, you saw in my Black Friday wish list, of course, I want to hit up Chocolate Kinks and Curls. But until then, if I had to think about what clay wash that I would use for the rest of my life, it would be my DIY Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask. I just love the way this does my curls. I have a really simple, easy recipe that anybody can do within minutes, and it always makes my curls pop, moisturize. My hair just loves this stuff, and I just don't see myself being without it. Even if I try other ones, I know that I'll still always have this in my stash, and this would be what I would use for the rest of my life if I didn't have any other ones. Now on to shampoos. I'm going to start with clarifying shampoos. This one is kind of new to me, but I kind of fell in love with it the more that I used it. And that is the Melanin African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. So little of this is needed. Like, you don't need much of this. A little goes a long way. It will take you forever to get through this bottle, but I like the way that it clarifies and cleans my hair without stripping it. It's not stripped, it's not dry, and this is like one of the few African Black Soap shampoos that doesn't leave that waxy coating feeling on my hair. So as for clarifying shampoos, this is definitely one of my favorites, and I can see me using this clarifying shampoo for the rest of my life. Moisturizing shampoos, now that was hard. I definitely have used a lot of moisturizing shampoos within the last couple of years. It was really hard for me to pick which one that I would actually use for the rest of my life. But this might be a surprise to you, or it may not. But it is the Nature's Little Secret Cucumber Shampoo. I really like this shampoo. A little bit goes a long way. I like the cucumber smell, great lather, and it really just cleans my hair and still provides moisture for my hair. So I really do enjoy this shampoo. For co-wash, it's got to go to the OG, the Grow Wash for me. I know that I can get a lot of uses out of it. It gives me a nice lather. It smells great, has slip. Like, this is my favorite one from As I Am. So this one is the one that I feel like I could use for the rest of my life if I had to choose one. I did have some good runner-ups like the One Love from the Dew, but I was really thinking like, which one do I like the most? And this one would be my favorite co-wash. Deep conditioner. Now y'all know this was hard. Y'all know this was hard. Now that I'm no longer using the My L Deep Conditioner, because that would have been a pick, but I'm no longer using that one, I would probably choose the Afrotastic from Soultanicals. I really did enjoy that one, but I don't have it anymore because I used it up because it was so good. So if I had to think about, what I actually had in my stash, the next runner up would be this Milk Strengthening Deep Conditioner from Nature's Little Secret. I really, really like this deep conditioner. It gives me protein, it gives me moisture, it gives me some nice silky soft curls. Like, this is a great deep conditioner, and I really do enjoy it, especially since I know I would need moisture and protein balance if I had to use it for the rest of my life. Leave-in conditioner, Alakay Naturals. Alakay Lemongrass leave-in, because it's just a moisturizing leave-in, and you can use it for any style. So you can use this if you want to do wash and goes, you'll have moisture. You want to do a lightweight style like a rod set, something like that, this is light enough where you still will have moisture. So this is a great leave-in, period. And for it to be a spray leave-in and still so moisturizing, it knocks some of those cream leave-ins out the water. So this would definitely be my leave-in that I would use for the rest of my life. Twist butter for my twist outs. I'm not really good with braid outs. It's not that I'm not good with them, I just hate the takedown. Twists are just so much easier for me. But anyway, if I had to use a twist butter for the rest of my life, it would be the Allicate Lemongrass Twist Butter. I love this. It seals in moisture so good, gives you definition, shine, just all that, and it smells good like lemongrass. So I just love this. This is definitely my top twist butter for my twist outs. Gel. Y'all know what I'm finna say, right? Y'all know what I'm finna say, right? Y'all know it's wetline. Y'all know it's wetline. I feel so bad that some people have flakes and stuff with wetline. And like I told y'all before, I've never had flakes with wetline. It always gives me definition. It gives me shine. Now, of course, it's a drying gel for a lot of people, so you do need a moisturizing leave-in underneath. But I mean, I get hold. I can have my wash and go for at least 7 days. If I wanted to do a twist out with it, I could. I would just use less of it or a nice cream underneath, and it'll still be popping, nice hold. Like, wetline is just bomb. And look how much you get for like, what, $3? Like, girl, everything. For a mousse, I would have to go with Lotta Body. Lotta Body gives me the hold that I need. Now, it's not hella moisturizing or anything, so you would have to use something moisturizing underneath. But even when I use something like super moisturizing, this still gives me hold. Like, the hold isn't canceled out. So that's what I love about this Lotta Body. I haven't done it for a wash and go or anything like that, but I've used it for rod sets, twist outs, and this is just a great, super affordable mousse, and I just love it. So this would definitely be the mousse that I would use for the rest of my life. For oil, if I had to use the oil for the rest of my life, it would be this Melanin oil. I love this Melanin oil. It's lightweight. It doesn't make my scalp itchy. I could use a lot of it, and my hair isn't too greasy. I've used it to put my twists in and take them out. My hair wasn't greasy or anything like that. This is such a nice, lightweight but gets the job done type of oil. It's just not like every other oil out there, and this is definitely my favorite oil, and I like the citrusy smell. I'm not sure if I skipped any categories. If I did, you guys let me know down in the comments, and also let me know if you guys had to use a product for the rest of your life, what would it be? What is your die hard, ride or die, can't be without, no matter what product? Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.